Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sashoni here if you're new to the channel, and don't forget to subscribe. So in this video I'm going to go to a Japanese salon to get my hair braided. So I've never had my hair done by a Japanese person, or I've never been to a Japanese salon before, so this is my first time and I am anxious to see the results. So I researched this person and I'm a little confident in her work, so I'm excited to see what the results will be. So anyways guys, so come on, let's go. I'm heading to Chiba, which is about 2 hours journey from where I live, so I need to leave out like right now so that I can be on time for my appointment. All right guys, so I found this place, so I'm going up on the 3rd floor right now. Ooh, these stairs. So initially I was planning on detangling my hair myself, but then I saw that she pulled out her products, so I was like, you know, let me just sit back and allow her to do her thing. So how long have you been doing hair?
I'm doing hair almost, especially for black hair, maybe 5 years now.
Wow.
Yeah.
How did you learn to do hair?
When I was in Bronx, New York, an African lady taught me.
Okay, that's nice.
Because my husband is African.
Okay.
Yeah, he's from Ghana. What we do here is go back.
overall the entire process took about 3 hours. I started at 1:20 and I finished at about 4 p.m. So I actually thought that I would have spent a long time there, because usually, you know, braiding your hair, it takes forever. But she actually moved very fast. She was very gentle. She handled my hair with care, and you know, as a 4C type of girl, that's rare for us to, you know, actually experience that. And actually my hair is not tight at all, so overall the experience was really good. And you know, we can't braid our hair without putting it in hot water. Guys, let me know what you think. How did she do? Do you like my hairstyle? And also, I want you to guess the amount of money you think I paid for this hairstyle. Leave that in the comment section below. If you're correct, I'll let you know. If you're ever in Japan and you want to get your hair braided, you can come to Chiba.
Yeah, so come to my salon located in Kashiwa City in Chiba. Yeah.
And she did this. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, so I'm heading home right now. I have like 2 hours of journey to do. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.